those of you joining me for the first time, I'm Chicago portrait photographer. And with me today, I have my dear friend Pooja. We're going to do some pregnancy portraits with her. And while I was going to teach her how to pose and make a video that will help a lot of you pregnant women out there, we thought, why not tackle her face first? What was your problem?
That I'm putting on, I'm bloating up.
So you do pretty good makeup by yourself. Why did you want me to do it?
Because all I do is eyeliner, lipstick and a little eyeshadow every now and then. But this whole new change with the contouring, usage, and everything is so new for me and I'm loving it.
And you still look natural, right?
Yes, I do. I like that. Yeah.
Yeah. So pregnancy is a very unique situation for all of us. We go through it and our body changes, our face changes, our hair changes. My eyes bloated up like crazy. Eyes, nose, cheeks, everything was heavy, and confidence is the last word I should be using when it comes to camera. So I think that's an issue with a lot of women, and just fixing that problem is going to completely transform her confidence in front of the camera. So let's go ahead and see how I created this look for you.
Welcome to Blush with Me.
Welcome to Blush with Me. Thank you. To start with the Pore Professional Primer from the brand Benefit. Use the CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream Foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, so I'm going to use it very lightly all over her face. And this is for a photo shoot. This is not an everyday makeup. So we need a little bit heavier coverage. For concealer in the shade medium. I'll also use this around her mouth. Now in pregnancy, your face will bloat up a little bit. Notice when Pooja's face is round, my goal is to narrow her face down, which means I have to elongate all her features. So when I'm applying a contour cream, I'm going to go this way. Even this is going to be more long. And here I'm going to create . Pooja has nice arched eyebrows, which really helps this look. I'm going to elongate that beautifully sharp nose that she already has. This time I'm going to start all the way where her eyebrows are. Now a lot of women gain weight around their nose for some reason. I did. My nose looked like twice the size. I don't know for what reason. So with a blending brush and circular motion, we are going to blend it all out. Now to give her more definition of that high cheekbone, I'm going to take that same foundation, create a line right from her lips, right this way. And right above that line, I'm again going to create a little more definition. If you notice, she has a lot of lid space, beautifully shaped eyes and eyebrows. So we're just going to stick to her natural shape. We are not creating anything new. Like always, I'm going to use the shade Faith from the Urban Decay Naked palette. If you see, her socket line is the natural curve that you see right here. Just enhance that. Framing her eyes. With Pooja's eyes, her eyes are kind of sloping down towards the end, and I want to create a little lifted look this time. So instead of her eyeshadow coming down all the way here, I stop right here, and even the even the eyeliner is going to get a lift right from here instead of coming down all the way. I'm going to use ColourPop's Come Get Me on her lids. We're going to create a nice soft glam look. So although it's going to be kind of a soft smoky effect, the colors are not very dark. I'm now going to use Rimmel London's Hazel 002 for her eyebrows. Now this color is a shade or two lighter than her natural eyebrows. So I can go a little heavy-handed towards the end, but much lighter towards the inner corners of her eyebrows. Now Pooja has little unruly hair, which is like growing in different directions. So I'm going to use Benefit's Gimme Brow. This is actually a brow volumizing fiber gel. So what this does is it's going to just keep her hair in place in one shape and one direction. I'm using gel eyeliner by Smashbox in the color Fishnet. I'm just going to blend this eyeliner upwards instead of drooping down. This will also tightline her lashes, making sure there is no skin showing in between her lashes. I'm also going to darken the outer ends of her lower lash line using Smoky Eye Mascara from Bobbi Brown. I'm now going to use the shade Peach Bellini from the brand Blush. Again, for her, I'm creating a more elongated blush effect. For her lips, I'm going to use the color Bark from Lord & Berry for the liner. I exaggerated the arch that she has, creating it a little bit more pointy. And I'm also going to create this more as a V shape on her lips rather than a rounded U. It's a very subtle change, but overall in her makeup, these small changes will create a very big effect. So I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay's Seductress for her lipstick. Now again, when you're doing a photo shoot, especially when it's going to be either couples together or mom with child, chances of transferring your lipstick from your lips to other people's face or clothes are very high. So try to stick to matte lip colors. This is a very nice peachy shade, and I'm going to blend it with the lip liner so that you don't see two different shades. Again, Oh Darling highlighter by MAC. Make sure you're not going horizontal with the highlighters, just on few points to create more diagonal or almost vertically diagonal line. This will again elongate her nose. I love this effect on her Cupid's bow. Because we are not doing gloss, I'm just going to use the same highlighter right in the middle of her lower lip and her upper lip to reflect the light. So instead of any powders, I like to use Rodan & Field's Mineral Peptides. Now this has SPF 20. Usually when you're doing a photo shoot, you should avoid doing any kind of sunscreen under your makeup because that creates that white effect in photos which you don't want. This mineral peptide is perfect because it's not going to change the color of your foundation. It actually helps in keeping it stay put in one place and gives you the SPF protection. Even for people who just want medium coverage foundation, this powder can be used by itself as a foundation. Very nice. It looks so pretty. Yeah, I'm happy. It looks so pretty. So that was your makeup look for round or bloated faces. Contouring can keep your makeup looking very natural, at the same time redefine it completely. This was just makeup, but after makeup, if you want to know how to pose for pregnant women, which is completely different from normal women. Normal women, like why? Pregnant women are normal too. But if you want to watch that, don't forget to watch my next episode on pregnancy posing, because all of us want great pictures during our pregnancy. We create memories, and this is probably one of the most memorable shoots for most of the women. So why not learn how to nail it? Before you go, don't forget to like, share, of course, subscribe, and comment. I always look forward to your comments. That's it for today. Signing off. Blush with me.